Hey guys, and thanks for checking out the business cash flow document and how it works. This video is just a quick explainer of how to use the cash flow tracker document for your business. You're going to fill out your business name, group members, and so on up top. Every time you have a transaction for your business, whether that is money in or money out, you want to log it in your cash flow tracker. Now, if you're doing multiple sales on a single day, like you are doing a vendor event or something in your school, and you might have 10 sales in one day, you can wait till the end of the day and then log your sales. That's totally fine. But really what you want to do is get in the habit of tracking all your money in, all your money out to have an accurate record of what your business is actually doing. So say like day one, for example, so we'll put today's date in when I'm recording this. This is 4/23, 24. We'll say you're doing a baking company and you go by ingredients. So ingredients for cookies. So like ingredients for cookies is the description. So like what you bought. Local grocery store. So let's go grocery store. Like you would obviously put the grocery store's name in there. Now expense category. If you're not sure about what category you are picking from, so it's a drop down, you would go into the next tab where it has a little bit of an explanation of what each one is. Now I put the most common ones at the top of your drop down menu. So like the most common ones are going to be like cost of goods sold typically. But there's a couple of others that might pop in there. So if you're not sure, you go, all right, I think it's cost of goods sold. Let's look it up. Cost of goods sold, materials and supplies needed to produce goods and services sold by a business. So that will be exactly it. So we've got our ingredients and materials and supplies needed to produce the cookies. So I would select cost of goods sold. And then debit is money out. So this is a cost, credit is money in. So let's say I spend $5.67 on my cookie ingredients. Nothing goes in the credit line. My balance for my business is now negative $5.67. So technically you should balance that by saying like, oh, I put money into my business. So I put $5.67 in and then spend $5.67. So I'm still at zero. But maybe you're going to say like, well, tomorrow we're going to sell the cookies. So let's say next day, 4/24. You go into school, you sell cookies. So sell cookies. There's no vendor for that because you're selling, you're not buying. And there's no expense category because it's not an expense, it's income. And then let's say we made 12 cookies, we sold them for $1 each. So we made $12. So now the balance for our company is a positive $6.33. We've made $12. We've spent $5.67. The running balance is technically our profit. So that's how much money that you have made above what you have sold. So red, bad means you've lost money. Green, good, you've made money. If you have any questions, you're always welcome to reach out to me and of course your teacher as well. My email is thefieducator@gmail.com, or you can follow me on Instagram at @FieEducator, and I'd be happy to answer your questions for you. Thanks guys, bye.